Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're playing Piggy v Impossible, because it's going to be very impossible. Guys, we have big problem. I don't know if y'all can hear the audio, but there's something wrong with my Roblox or something, or like my phone or something, I don't know. But I can't hear any Roblox audio. Like, I can hear in YouTube and in all my other apps, but I can't hear in Roblox or like Roblox games. So I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I'm sorry, but y'all can't hear anything if y'all can't. But if y'all can, then hey, y'all can, but I can't. So hopefully, it doesn't ruin the video too much. But today we're playing Holiday Hustle. Don't even look at City. City doesn't exist. Actually, we might play City too. But right now we're playing Holiday Hustle. I can see what snow effect that the creator used. Alright, let's hope. And it did the bug. There's a bug in the game where, like, if you're laggy, then it's just gonna delete everything in the intro, so I gotta restart. Never mind, it came back. Never mind, it's not working now. Oh. Okay. We back, chat. Hopefully it doesn't bug again. It took me like 3 tries to play it the first time. I'm praying it don't bug too much. Come on, please don't bug out. Also, guys, by the way, I'm done with my Christmas build mode map. Actually, there's gonna be I'm gonna make a part 2 to the map too. But yeah. Oh hey, it started instantly. Hi. What? Bro, creator, fix your game. Dizzy Piggy 86, fix your game, chat. Bro, what is this? Piggy, I don't want to talk to you. Okay, we're back. No bugs, bro. No bugs. Maybe spam clicking it will stop the bugging. Alright, come on. Z, wake up. I heard some weird noises coming from outside. I wanted to check it out. Look at Pony sleeping, bro. Like, someone needs to slap him awake. Oh, yeah, I don't know what the ending looks like, because the ending bugged for me when I first played this, and I couldn't see it. There's the great Yeti. Why does it look like he's doing the R6 walk animation a little bit? Okay, shut up. Alright. So I beat this like the first try I played it. So hopefully I can beat it again first try. He gets stuck there every single time. Like, look at him, bro. He needs a gym membership. Actually, let me shut up before he kills me. Will my karma be clapping back, bro? My karma hits me so hard, like, I hate my karma. Like, y'all think y'all have bad karma? Mine is worse. Where'd Z go? It doesn't matter. Alright, we just gotta get out of here. Grab the green key. By the way, guys, the developer, Dizzy Piggy 86, that's his Roblox name, has been posting links on his channel. Bro, Mall is 3 stories. I don't know if I'm beating that one. I forgot which shovel patch it was, but one of these shovel patches will give me what I want. And I'm looking for shovel. patches. Alright, here's one right here. No, it's not that one. That one? These soul patches look different from the ones in Piggy. I think the developer made these. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Don't see me, sir. Don't see me, sir. These do not see me, sir. Thank you. Give me that. Alright, red key. I'm pretty sure it goes over here. Oh, there's Z. Come here. But this map's so small, bro. I forgot where it went. It goes over here. Z's so dumb. Z, come on. Be smart like him. Like, if he spotted me, I bet he'd kill me. Oh. Uh-oh. Big boy's on step. Sound the alarms. He's having an earthquake. Earthquake. Oh my god. Earthquake. Get down. Earthquake. No. No, earthquake. Okay, I'm doing too much. Oh, and didn't I just say something about my karma? Watch. He's about to be right behind the snowman. I'm gonna die. By the way, F the Yeti. How dare he kill Mr. Bliss's cousin, bro? F's in the chat for. Oh! Don't do it to it, Mr. Bliss. No, not Mr. Bliss. Don't touch him, big boy. Watch, he's gonna turn around, just like Sam did in Distorted Holiday. And also, guys, I rewatched that Paranormal Pigmas Distorted Holiday video. I was calling Distorted Holiday Paranormal Pigmas the whole video. Like, ew, bro. Imagine calling it the wrong name. Uh-oh, bro's found some cookies. Uh-oh, he's eating those cookies in that corner again. Lay off the sweet treats, chat. Alright, we're about to beat this. Gray key? Yep. No purple key. Now we still got a lot. Not a lot, but like a few more items. Where is he? Bro, isn't that the intro take place right here? Where are they at? Oh, he's walking again. Uh-oh. No, 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 not the earthquake again. Where is the yellow? Or, yeah, purple, yeah. I'm just gonna go see if it's over here. Oh, it is. Blue key. Thank God he's not being a big back right now and shaking the whole map. Coal key. I meant gray key. I thought it was a coal key. Alright. Use it. Use it. Use it. Use it. Use it. Use it. Got him. Ending? Yes! Thank goodness we stopped that Yeti. Now let's go to sleep before Zizzy finds out we snuck out the cabin. You two are in big trouble. But Zizzy, it was all... I don't want to hear this is Z's... Z did it stuff. I know she can't talk, Zuzi. Sorry, Zizzy. I wanted to investigate the noise. Even Z decided to come with me. It's okay, Zuzi. That doesn't mean I don't love you as much as your little sister. What? Now let's open some gifts. I thought it's still nighttime. What y'all mean? Bro, put Grandpa back to sleep. Uh-oh. Thanks, Uncle Pony. Now I could be just like Zizzy. Behold. Zizzy copy. I meant Piggy copy. Zuzi, please don't poke someone's eye out with that foil. Be lucky there's no laws about... dang it. Thanks for the carrot, Zolance. I'll do my best to save it for later. Happy holidays, everyone. Bro, they all got the same gifts they do in Piggy. Come on, I mean, like... Tell Prince to that game. I'm like, oh my god. Okay, I need to stop making weird noises. Alright, we're gonna do 1 round of city. 1 round. And don't think I'm trying to drag this video on, because I'm really not. When I mean 1 round, if I die in the cutscene, because that can happen in city, I'm letting it happen. The second I die, I'm ending the video. I'm not even getting to the main lobby. If I look at one of the bots' names, I'm not gonna say right now, he's a monkey. If I see him, I'm ending the video. Watch, I'm not even joking. To get to the safe place, we have to get the entrance open. Alright, I got it. Ryan, Maddox, Rayleigh, she left us. What a traitor. I bet she's dissing us in a diss track. Like I said, 1 round. Hey, bug, run round, like I said. What happened? Yeah, like I said, 1 round. Yeah, I got to see the intro. Bye.